People, welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I go talk about an update regarding the justice system. Couple days now, people have sent me the same link, the same story. This is how I know, so enough I think that I talk about on this platform are going to outlive me. Because people really are tuning in. Enough times, I drop videos about certain things and all, me forget about it. Because when you have to make new content day after day after day, just 200 videos ago, feel like an eternity. But the people who consume the content, they remember everything. To the point that they remember me about things when me say. People that say, look YouTuber, remember the Clansman series? They talk about the justice system need to start work with lawyers to prepare cases, seal up cases, spot things where the police them now spot and things like that. That's what I talk about. First person link me never give me a link to an article, so just I talk normally. So I was saying, what do you mean? What do you mean JCF will start work with lawyers and them recruit lawyers with? Then other people now start messaging me and tell me the same thing, but they must send me the link to the story, so I'm going to read it. Fascinating stuff, never talk about it. Now, as I said, enough people link me and I say, boy, look at YouTube, I'm going to tell this, see it come to pass, yeah. Let me just stop and write this one. Don't ever in your life disrespect Delroy Chuck like that. Don't ever in your life disrespect Delroy Chuck and him expert friend them. What are you trying to insinuate? That Delroy Chuck tune in a morning time with him PIA mug and I listen to video? Don't ever disrespect the justice minister and him friend him like that ever again. I'm sure this is all one big coincidence. Why would they tune into a local YouTuber who only purpose is to bad mind scam and fight against artists and make up things to get views? Things that we talk about over here so now no real impact on none. It's just fun and games and words, right? What your favorite Anglo-Saxon say it's rubbish? Surely the experts them wouldn't hear when the local YouTuber say recruit lawyers, help put case together. Don't disrespect their experts like that ever again, please and thanks. PIA Patreon squad, please do not disrespect the experts like that ever again. Right. These people are too big, too educated to listen to a minuscule platform like this for any kind of interesting ideas. So even though yes, we said in this series, get lawyers, help put the case together. That way them can spot things where the police them not spot. So in time it reach a court. You see, I remember exactly what me saying. People actually have to jog my memory in time, then jog it. Me say a real thing, but me can't remember which video exactly me said, But I know it was the Clansman series. I was talking about the fact that enough things I get through out in the case based on technicalities. Documents never write and paperwork never sign over here, so I say, get some lawyers to help put the case together. Well, luckily somebody else in the government was thinking along the same lines. Fortunately. See it up on your screen. Lawyers being recruited into the JCF to strengthen preparation and completion of case files. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says the government has initiated the recruitment of 20 attorneys for the Jamaica Constabulary Force to strengthen the preparation and timely completion of case files in order to enhance greater efficiency within the justice system. Preparation and completion. Preparation means case I get put together. 20 actual attorneys who know the law better than the regular policeman can point out that this right there I go cause a technicality. That I go cause a technicality. The DPP office is already swamped. Right. They need people in the JCF to run over things before case get put in. Who remember that video there? If somebody can remember the actual name of that video, link me and give me it. Because even me remember it. And in the people who tell me about it, they don't remember the exact video neither, because the Clansman series was a long series. We talk about a whole heap of things. This is not the most exciting story, but this is a big step forward for the JCF. A big step forward. Mark my words. A big step forward. This is like when time you go a country and somebody carry one tree come give and them say, alright, see just plant it by so and so time, and then you look at one tree where you really the want. You want one orange tree and somebody carry one come give. You plant it, you can't wait for it bear fruit. Well, this a go bear fruit. This a go bear fruit. Just like them time here last year, I tell them, say, change the axe them or update the axe them. Firearms, corrections and bail. And we can see how that area go now. Well, we see how that area go. Years we are ball for the same thing till we finally get it. We see how that area go. But that don't mean say there's anything to celebrate. We're not putting a champagne on the ice. Because the mission is to get under 1,000. We tell them say if the Asian hombre is really serious about the work, him gone under 1,000. But this is important because enough case, clear cut case, when them get star witness, when time them get high level undercover operation, get that shot back over case preparation. Now, it's right this. Enough of these learnings are coming out for the Klansman anti-gang case. Enough of these learnings, when you hear me tell you say get some lawyers to prepare this and all that, it's because I observed what happened with the Black Man faction anti-gang case. This is why I'm telling you say C4's actions will resonate for a generation. And the next generation and the next generation. People are going to see things take effect that only change because of the learnings from Black Man anti-gang faction. And that happened because of C4. Even though the man them bust the case, certain little sloppiness, certain little technicalities, enough of them gap there will get plugged. 20 attorneys are going to work with the investigators to make sure all the reports and documents them sorted out. It's beautiful. Make a tear run down my eye. Attorneys working directly with investigators. Now that we are ball for from them time there. Make CTOC work directly with lawyers before the case even go in. What them do now, build the case, hand it to DPP, go court, and then in a court work upon technicalities. It's beautiful. When I first hear about this, the first person tell me about it, I asked him, so hold on, what go do you? Because I saw a picture with Peter Champagne. And they were a truck, and I said, I can't Peter Champagne them are used to help prepare cases. You can't be using any kind of defense lawyers. Can't be any serving defense lawyers. The reason is simple. Conflict of interest. Any current defense lawyer where you are going to say, yo, I could put together a case up on this and that. Conflict of interest. Even if it's not them current client, one day it could be. Right? And I'm not trusting no defense guy to help build no case for no major gang. He's working with, or one day might work with, Tesha Miller. Can they help seat up? Both them out. Yeah man, I could help you prepare this case. Wink wink. Next thing you know, case sink like the Titanic. Because him done a pay him $3 million. Government now pay him nothing close to that. They both him help prepare a case, I help prepare if a case fail. So if a defense lawyer must be an ex-defense lawyer, I can't be currently serving because I say that's conflict of interest. So more than likely they're going to recruit 20 lawyers, maybe some young attorneys, who knows. Even if they're not the most popular names in all of lawyerdom, they don't have to be. They just have to be people who are familiar with the law more than the police investigators, who are not familiar with the law. Clearly, they know if to lock up people, they know if to collect evidence and take away gun from man and them things about even things like how them store the gun them and how them document the gun them and chain of custody. And they say them a fail. That's all they need. Things like forensic lab when time this together and remember when time C4 them in a court, Man dead, but them gonna court without proof say man dead. No death certificate. Nothing at all. Cause nobody in court testifying saying dead. They not show no paperwork saying dead. They not show a funeral. Things like that are paperwork matter. So take that off of CTAC hands. Take that off of the detective hands. Make actual lawyers there on the ground. Right, I deal with them little nitty gritty thing there. This is a step in the right direction. It's beautiful, I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. This is like a 2JZ engine after the whole engine bay clean up. It's beautiful. This is a step in the right direction. Big step in the right direction. It's not something that's going to deliver us from evil overnight. It's a step in the right direction. So they mentioned that they got various recommendations on how to help fix the justice system, and it come from the experts them. It don't come from no local YouTuber. So PIA, stop dreaming and stop bad minding the experts. So they mentioned say then go Rwanda. Go look on the Rwandan justice system, how they integrated for them system where technology connect the Court of Appeal, High Court and other courts with the DPP, the police and the forensic lab, and the correctional services and the health authority. Rwanda. This is beautiful. They bring a tear down my eye. Rwanda. 1990s genocide, Rwanda. One of the worst atrocities the world has seen in modern history. Rwanda. So much people dead all know they can't put an accurate figure upon it. If you go to Rwanda and look on the museum, you see skeleton till they're tired. Water run out of your eye. Entire villages wiped out. Figure as high as 1 million, as low as 500,000. Whatever the real figure is, it's way too high. Mass murder, genocide, atrocity. That Rwanda bounced back and is now the poster boy for Africa and the world. One of the cleanest countries in the world. Google it. Don't take my word for it, but just bad mind scammers. Rwanda is one of the cleanest countries in the world. Africa and Rwanda. The man tell you about Africa, just be a people now look a hut, fly and name them. Nobody know no sense. Well, that them want you believe. The fact that they're looking to Rwanda and I learn from Rwanda is beautiful. Because one time them go on like so all the Americans and British and Germans have sense. Like them alone can build things and do things and streamline things. So Rwanda they gonna study Rwanda. It's beautiful. It's like the Jaguar E-Type. It's beautiful. Long may it continue. Enough video I dropped this week. As I said, look out for the customs video. More of the Fireside series. I'm very surprised. I see 40,000 people tuning in less than a day on a video I talk about Burger King and KFC and Irish Saxons mentality, how them deal with business and them things. I have to big up my audience. I have to big up the PIA and the Patreon squad because anybody can be interested in seeing one big shootout to go on in a Spanish town and hear about what go on with this artist. But things like that, you know, say people really interested to learn. Right. Also the video of the policeman may get charged. Now the triple murder. I forgot to touch upon that too. Patreon squad big up on yourself, PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.